Okay, we're back again with some more tests, and what we're going to show you is some more water truth about, this is Fiji, and what Steve's going to do is we're going to take this and show what the pH is with beginning, and the ORP is in the beginning. We'll show this in just a little bit. We're going to show you the pH first of the water Fiji before and then after it goes through the pitcher. So Steve's going to take and pour a little bit of the, let me just pour this in, and what we're going to do is just take a little bit of this water and see what the pH is to start with, and then Steve's going to take and put the rest of this water through the pitcher. Okay, and we have a little device that you can use. You can use a Route 44 cup and basically put little holes in the bottom, okay? Little bitty holes so that it drains real slow into the filter here. You got a top filter and a bottom filter. This is a tablet filter. This is a stock filter, okay? And so what we'll do is put this in here so that you don't have to hold the water and pour it quarter-inch stream at a time. We'll just take, and Steve can start pouring these waters in and letting it go, okay? And what we'll do is we'll pour this water in and let it drain slowly. In this way, see folks, you can just pour your water in and then let it drain. Okay, and it'll drain slow enough to where you don't have to sit there and hold the water in order for it to drain. Just make sure you don't have that many holes in the bottom, just enough holes to make it drain real slowly through the filters. Because that's how you get the water to go through all of the ceramics, and it doesn't gorge the filter to where you don't get the effect of the water as fast. So we're going to sit here and pour this water through. By the way, you need to fill this pitcher up to about right at the top of these slits right here. Okay, right where that stock filter, where the openings are, right there. You don't need to fill it all the way to the top. Just about right there is all we need.
That's to check the ORP for you.
Okay, yeah, we'll do this in a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
And you see it's slowly filling the filter, or filling the pitcher at about the proper speed. So.
Okay. Now, well, let's see how far it comes up on here, because I don't really want it to run over the slits on the top here. Okay. So we're going to see where it is. It's about half full now, and see these little holes? It's draining real slow through about maybe 4, 5, 6 little holes, like with an ice pick or something. And now it's draining into the pitcher. And of course, I don't want to go over those slits, so I'll just pour the rest in there and let it. So I poured a little too much. You need to watch that so that you fill it up to about where
this level, right?
Yeah, where the hard plastic
top of those slits.
Okay, so let's test the pH in this, and let's see what this is. Okay, so this is Fiji. Okay, and we're going to swirl that around and see what that is. Okay, and what's that look like, Steve?
About 7.5.
About a 7.5. So down here a little bit, that kind of matches the color. Maybe between 7 and 7.5 is what it looks like. Okay, so let's take this water. Let's put that out front here so they can see it. And then let's take this water. What I'll do is swirl it around like you do rocks in a stream. You know, like rocks coming down, stream coming down over the rocks. And let's pour this water, which was what? Which was this water poured through the pitcher, right? No, nothing more. Okay. All right.
Yeah, this very same water, this Fiji water.
Okay. And let's see what happened to the pH. Well, guys, it changed it instantaneously. I mean, let's put that water up there, Steve, and let's see what that is. Folks, there's quite a bit of difference between 7 to 7.5 and 9 to 9.5 water. This has changed drastically just by using this pitcher. As we've said, this is the most natural way for you to change the water so that you and your family can drink the best water. Now, let's take this right here. Well, that has a little water in it. Let's take this right here and let's test the ORP of this. Remember he poured a little bit of Fiji in there?
Yeah, that's the Fiji water.
Okay, and let's see what it says on here. Okay, it says it's about 214, 213, okay?
Positive 213.
Positive 212, 211, it's slowly going down, see? Slowly going down, 210. As it slows down, that's about where the mark is. 209. Let's just look at it. 208. 207. So right in the 200 range is what we're talking about. Now if you swirl that around a little bit, Steve, like we run over the rocks, that's all we're doing. It's just making sure it runs through there good. And then we're going to pour this. And we'll see if this brings it down. Now folks, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the minerals to deposit into the water to give you high antioxidant water. But what we're going to show you is just the change from the 204 that it's sitting at now, just from pouring it through in that long. Okay? We know that if you want higher ORP water, the longer you let it sit in the ceramics, the more it becomes antioxidant. But let's just see the change. Right now it's sitting around 202. Okay, so we know it's going to be, like I said, around 200. So Steve, if you'll take that probe and let's 201, let's just see the difference in just pouring this water through. You see this, folks? It's dropping down drastically, and all we did was pour it down. Remember, we're looking for 50 to negative 150 for dead-gum good water. I mean, the best water on the planet. It's high antioxidant, and we know it's got high pH value. So let's just see where it ends up. Okay, now remember, I told you it takes 20 to 30 minutes for it to change to the negative, the good water that we need. Okay, so it's going to take a little while to deposit 100 minerals into the water. That's obvious. But let's just see what it did in just by pouring it through there. How much benefit would I get if I just poured it through there and I drank this water from Fiji? And I put the Fiji water in there like you saw. Let's just see how much it changes. Well, we're already looking at 30, 29, 28, 25, 23, 21, 20, 19. This may hit negative, folks, just by pouring it through there. Okay, so very quick result. As a matter of fact, it is in the negative right now. Okay, so let's just see where it ends up. It's still moving pretty fast, so it hadn't hit its mark yet. It hadn't told me the value of it yet. We're at negative 25. Okay, remember, positive 50, all the way down to negative 150. It's great water. Okay, let's just see where this ends up. We're at negative 40, negative 42, 43, 44. Once we hit negative 50, folks, you might as well be drinking straight vitamin C. And we're there. Okay? So I wanted to show you the quick change that just this pitcher can do. It's natural. It works. The technology's new. No one else has it. And you and your family need it if you care about the kind of water that you're receiving for your body every day. And thank you for the time on this demonstration.